patch is a flat tire repair material for securely and safely repairing punctures from the inside of all kinds of tires, including radial and bias ply tires. If the angle of the puncture hole is over 20 degrees, use stem and tire patches. You can choose from 4 plug patch types: PW3505, PW4007, PW5609, and PW8012, according to the size of the hole you are repairing. We will now demonstrate the procedures for making repairs with plug patch. First, remove foreign objects from the tire. Use the chart to decide on the sizes of the patch and carbide cutter you will use according to the size of the puncture. Attach a carbide cutter to a 500 RPM slow-speed air drill and adjust a puncture flaw from the inside and outside, 2 times each. Use marking chalk to mark cross lines at the center of the puncture inside of the tire. Center the patch over the puncture and outline the area a little larger than the patch. To improve the adhesion of plug patch, spray liquid buffer on the inside surface of the tire and then remove contaminants with the scraper. Next, attach a tungsten rasp to an approximately 2,500 RPM air drill and buff an area slightly larger than the size of the patch. Be sure not to expose the tire cord when buffing. After you have finished buffing, use a vacuum cleaner to remove the buffing dust. Coat the buffed area with Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC free vulcanizing cement evenly. Please apply it into the puncture flaw as well. Once the Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC free that was applied to the buff area has dried, apply a bit of Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC free to the plug patch taper. Absolutely do not apply Super Valcarn G or Super Valcarn G CFC free to the patch section. Be careful not to touch the inside of the patch. Insert the tip of the wire into the puncture from the inside of the tire. Use pliers to pull out the wire once it has poked through to the tread. Pull the wire until the patch comes in contact with the inside of the tire. When the patch is in firm contact with the tire, use a roller and stitch vigorously from the center of the patch to the outer edge. Please be sure to apply strong pressure, especially at the periphery. Coat portions that have been over-buffed and on the patch with C-liner or C-liner CFC free to prevent minute air leaks. Lastly, cut the plug so that there is still 2 to 3 millimeters protruding from the tire, and the repair is complete.